Yeah, I thought we probably lost our way just before half time and probably didn't regroup well enough at half time. And they came out full of energy and we didn't match that. And I guess we got what we deserved there in the second half.
So you mean like the yellow card and then the try right on the bell really sort of hurt the side?
Well, I think 20 odd points while a yellow card. So we didn't handle that well. That was, I thought we were going well, and then yellow card and 21 points. That was probably the game there, and then you're just trying to chase those points back from there.
You must be particularly disappointed about the red cards, especially someone like Frank, who's obviously pretty experienced. Was there, I guess, a sense of frustration from you and the players?
Yeah, look, there was definitely frustration there. I'm not going to go into it, reasons why. I just would like more honest answers when people get asked questions, Captain's trying to find out what he needs to do and he doesn't seem to be getting the... I mean, I'm only on ref's mic, so I don't know what's being said all the time, but I think that was frustration and we didn't, there's no excuse. No excuse. And I apologise to our people back home for the 2 red cards. It's costly, and we talk about it week in and week out, and we need to do something about it. The players need to find in themselves to sort the discipline out if we want to get our season back on track.
Is that how it felt out there, Melly? A bit with frustration with the players that you guys couldn't sort of stem the flow?
Yeah, like Coach said, when frustration comes in the game, it's on us players how we can handle those pressure during the game. So we give out some penalties and major on discipline. So that's a major focus for us for the next game side of us. We need to try to cut it down and be up with the boys on for the few games that we're looking forward to it.
Mick, I think you said last year about that it's difficult winning away from home, and have you seen any, and also from the way your team, this difficulties outside of what even happens on the field, and have you seen any growth in that area, like in terms of even the language barrier and things like that?
Yeah, look, we've made tremendous growth in our third year. The players are finding their way in their third year of professional rugby, and they've worked extremely hard to get their bodies into shape. I don't think people understand how hard these guys have worked to get to where they are today in such a short period of time. Players that obviously other players will know how hard it is to do what these guys have done in a short period of time, and we just got to keep growing, and we've got to take our learnings and we've got to take what we got tonight and go home and work around it. We've got a bye week. It's probably a good time to have a bye week to reflect on how we come back. We've got a big one when we come back, the Hurricanes. So we get a chance to, lick our wounds tonight and regroup and take a few days off and come back in ready to go to get stuck into the rest of the season. Okay, thanks.